A moment of deep rest meditation. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. Let your body begin to relax as you settle into this moment. Bring your attention to your body. Notice any areas of tension, and as you breathe, imagine a gentle wave of relaxation washing over you. Start at your feet, allowing them to soften. Then move up through your legs, your hips, your back. Feel the warmth of relaxation spreading through your shoulders, arms, and hands. Let your jaw loosen and your forehead smooth. Now shift your focus to your breath. Without changing it, simply notice its natural rhythm. As you inhale, imagine drawing in a sense of calm. And as you exhale, let go of any tension or lingering thoughts. Feel your breath flowing effortlessly, like a steady rhythm grounding you in the present. Picture yourself in a peaceful place, perhaps a quiet forest, a warm sunlit space, or a cozy retreat. Allow yourself to sink deeper into this feeling of safety and ease. With each breath, feel a sense of restfulness growing within you. Silently repeat to yourself, I allow myself to rest. I release what no longer serves me. I embrace this moment of peace. Let these words settle into your being, bringing a deep sense of relaxation. Take a final deep breath in, filling yourself with gratitude for this moment of stillness. And slowly exhale, bringing awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of deep rest with you into the rest of your day.